Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Beauty Health Tips, and this is your only friend Pratima. Guys, you must be very disturbed about the signs of aging like patchy skin, wrinkles, dark spots, fine lines, etc. etc. Do you know what is the solution? I have come up with a very simple and effective solution. Guess what? Yes, the facial. The home facial solution. Today I have called my beautician. She's going to come and she is going to do the total facial for me. So let's check it out step by step. Stay tuned.
Guys, I'm going to use the NutriGrow Wine Facial. See the ingredients I'm having. My beautician has come. She's ready with the ingredients. The first thing is the cleanser. I'm ready with the headband. Now she is going to apply the cleanser on my face. See, she has applied it and she is doing a little bit of massage with the cleanser. The common benefit of facial cleanser is the removal of dirt and unwanted debris from your face. Throughout the day you get all the pollutants, bacteria, virus, dirt over your skin. That will be removed. Now after applying the cleanser, she is rubbing it with a towel. Now after this step, the step of scrubbing comes. Scrubbing is really important as it exfoliates your skin and keeps it soft and toned. The dead skin layer that you have on your face, the patches of black spots, that will be removed through scrubbing. After scrubbing, it is removed with a towel. Firmly it's done so that there are no granules of scrub over my skin. This is really an important step of facial. Now the vital step comes, that is facial massage with the massage cream. See, she's applying it all over my face. See, after applying, she's applying some water on my face so that the massaging takes place in a very good way. See how she's doing. This is the right way of massaging, and it promotes healthy skin with relaxing of your facial massage. If you have any type of wrinkles on your face and any type of I have dark circles on my under eye portion, that will be removed. Then the blackheads over the nose, those are removed. The massaging also helps in keeping your blood circulation in the right mode, and you feel better. Your face becomes very much glowing, and it's really give a good shine over the longer period of time. It's going to be an effective solution for anti-aging also. This massaging is really important step, and this needs to be done for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then only you'll get a very good effect of facial over your face. See, she's doing it in a circular motion. The fingers, the this movement of fingers over my face, cheeks, over the forehead. Now she's applying the facial massager, which comes free with this Oxyglow facial that I'm applying. There are different attachments, so she knows which attachment is for which use, so she's applying it over my face. This also makes my skin very relaxed, and because it has the vibrator, vibration really helps in massaging. Now she's removing this cream with a thread. This is also an important step. You can see a lot of dirt is coming out. So this is a professional treatment you must have, whether you go to a salon or at home. It's important. Now the creams is going to be removed with a wet towel. See how she is doing it. She is doing it very softly. You also need to do it with a soft hand. If you have beautician at home, or if you go out, it's important to make sure that this process is done in a soft way, because your face is ready. The next step is the firming mask pack. This is really important because this will give a firmness to your face. This is a mask that you do after the total massaging. This will lift your skin up. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, this is going to be really important. If you have a dark complexion, this will give a wonderful glow to your skin. This will make your skin really healthy, and this is a face mask that is brilliant to use. If you want to use it without the facial massaging also, you can use it. This will give a good effect to your face. If you are going for a party or a social gathering, just apply this mask, and you can get a very wonderful glow on your face, toned face, and this is really important before you apply the makeup. So she is applying it with a brush like this. It shouldn't be totally liquid, or it shouldn't be totally solid. The consistency should be like this, semi-solid. So after it is dried, she is wetting the she is applying the wet towel on my face and removing the face bag very softly, and the removal should be done down from chin to above portion to forehead portion. So just have a track of the movement of this massage and how it should be removed. Just the strokes are really important so that it doesn't go wrong, your facial doesn't go wrong. See how my face is looking really glowing and so attractive. Now once it is done, once the facial mask is removed from my face, the next step that I have, see the difference, is the application of facial gel. This also has a wonderful effect on my face. This gives refreshing feel, hydrating, and it's going to pump out all the this darkness of the face and removes it totally, and it gives you a very supple, soft and smooth face. This is gonna be a last step of facial. Now see the difference of my face. How youthful. Guys, now just see the presentation of my face before and after the facial. Thank you.